Hello students, welcome to another video of Dr. Shoda's classes. As you know that we are solving the ACET paper of June 2022, and we have already solved the previous two parts in the previous video of the data interpretation question. So this is in the last part of the data interpretation question. So as you can see that answer questions 49 to 51, it's three questions to be solved based on the following chart, which shows monthly number of passport applications for 4 age groups received in a regional passport center in 2021. So that is the age group wise number of passport application in a region in 2021. So the first one is from 18 to 25, then from 25 to 35, then from 35 to 45, and last one is 45 to 60. For this 12 months is given, right? Now what's the question number 49 is saying? That the number of applications received considering all age groups together is maximum in the month of. So from here you can see this age group of in every this month, the age group of 25 and to 35 is the highest number of applicants. So here you can see with this September, right? So September, in the September it is greater than, is near about 500, which is less than any of the other month. Now if you consequently check with this age of 18 to 25 for September, 35 to 45 and 45 to 60, so in all cases you will see that covering the all age groups together, it's in the month of September. So the correct option is option C, 49C, that is September. Okay, nothing to solve explicitly over here, right? Then question number 50, for the same question, the same chart based on the age group wise number of passport application in a region. So it is given in question number 50 that which age group has the lowest total number of application in the whole year. So again from observation, so you can see that in any of these 12 months from this 18 to 25 and 45 to 60, remaining these are above, more or less is above 300 or more than that. But in case of these two, 18 to 25 and 45 to 60, so these are the lowest. So now among these two you can find that in every month for January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, in any of this month it is not greater than 200. It is at most 200, right? Number of passport application. But whereas in case of 18 to 25 it is more than 200 in case of January. So in our choice, this question number, this option number D is the correct one. That is from in the age group of 45 to 60, it has the lowest total number of application in the whole year. So the correct option is here option D for question number 50, right? So here it is also, you can solve it by observation. Now going to the next question 51. Now coming to question number 51, as you can see for the same chart, the last part of this question of 51, so you can see that we have to find which of the following statements is true. So I have to check with 4 options and we have to find which one is true, right? So first let's start with the option A. The number of applicants in the age group 18 to 25 doesn't exceed 3000, right? So now as you see the picture, you can see that except the month of March and May, in every month it is more than 250. So for 10 months it is near about 2500. It is much more than that. Okay, I'm just taking it a approximation. And in case of March it is slightly less than 250, and in case of May it is slightly less than March, right? But you can see that the number of the applications in case of August, September and October, in these 3 months. So this August, you can see, September and October, it is greater than 300, right? So this total will exceed 3000. So this option is incorrect. Now check with the option B. It is given that the maximum number of application is received in the age group of 25 to 35 is more than, which is more than 5000. That is in the age group of 25 to 35, right? So it is clear that the maximum number of application received in the age group of 25 to 35 in all months, it is the 25 to 35, that is, we have already found it before, that maximum number of applications has been submitted, right? So the number of application is at least 400 in all months, right? For this 12 months we have at least 400 in all months. Also the number of application exceeds, in case of, you can check with the February, June, September and December, it exceeds, the number of application exceeds 450, right? So the total number of application must be greater than, for this 4 months it is 450, and for the remaining 8 months it is 400, plus this is 4 into 450. This is an approximation, you can find is greater than always 450. So we have this 3200 plus 1800, which is 5000. So in our case the correct option is option B. Okay, let us check with the next option also, that is option C. It is given the total number of application does not exceed 14,000. So the total number of application, let us consider the total number of application considering the all age group, that is for case of 18 to 25, right? It exceeds 3000, and in case of this 25 to 35 it exceeds 5000. Then in the age group of 35 to 45, so you can see that, that is, we have already calculated for the first two. For 35 to 45 you can see that it is about 280 for the month of October, right, from the 35 to 45 age application. And for 4 months it exceeds 400 applications, number of applications. For 6 months it exceeds, number of application is 300, and for 1 month it is 350, right? So the total number of application must be greater than, the total number of application must be greater than 280 plus 4 into 400, right, plus 6 into 300, right, plus 350. So which is going to be 4030. This is for the option this 35 to 45 age. And from 45 to 60, what will be it? So the number of the 45 to 60 is greater than 12 into 170, which is 2040. Now if you add this, that is 3000 plus 5000 plus 4030 plus 2040, so we will find it is near about 14070. So it exceeds 14,000, right? So option C is also incorrect. And the last option, that is option D, it is given that the number of applications received in the age group 25 to 35 is maximum in the month of December. but we already find that the number of applications received in the age group is maximum in September, not in December. So option D is also incorrect. So the correct option here for this question number 51 is option B. Okay, and we have also shown it there. So with this we have completed the data interpretation part. So next, in the next video we will start with the English section. So with the question number 52 and the remaining question we will solve. So see you in the next lecture.